Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. So, as thinking about soul tribes, um, the way I define soul tribes are those people you are designed to do life with. They may be business partners, they may be sisters, friends. Those people who come along with you on your life path. Maybe it may be in school, you meet a friend and they are friends with you for a lifetime. Or you start a business, you have a partner and they are with you for a lifetime. But when we go through an awakening, awakening is when you realize um, there is more to life than what you've been living. You realize you can live better. You realize most things don't hold water anymore. They are not based in truth. You start to uncover your own truth and you choose a lifestyle that you want and you embrace the universal laws and all that. In that process, you may start to become lonely or isolated because you don't find people similar to you, people who have awakened, people who are enlightened, people who can see or live by faith, you know. But don't be discouraged because those people are on their way. And I read a quote once that said, what you're looking for is looking for you too. So that soul tribe, those people who will be, maybe you think alike, you have the same values and goals. They are on their way. They'll find you and you will find them. But there is always that gray period where they are not there yet. So you hang tight and learn to encourage yourself, comfort yourself, do things whereby maybe you don't have so many people to share with, but at some point the soul tribe will come. One thing that helped me during that great period, because I did pass through that great period where the things I like are not similar to what people around me like. The choices I make are too radical for most people who were around me at that time. So, oh, I hear an ambulance. I hope they're okay. Um, okay. Wow. All right, continuing on. What I realized is I was talking about that. What helped me during that season is I got this image of, those automatic doors. Usually you find them maybe at maybe restaurants or big corporate buildings. The mechanics of those doors is they do have a sensor, but you have to get to a certain proximity in order for the door to open. If you are a bit too far, it doesn't open. And that image helped me in that process, meaning the more I work on myself, the more I get myself better, align myself to my true calling. The people, the soul tribe, the people who are supposed to do life with me will start finding me because I'm aligning. You see, most times we don't find the right soul tribe because we are still living in pretense. We are still doing things that we know we should not do. You know when you get that heart calling, it's like, no, stop doing that and start doing the other thing, and you're like, nah, this one is easier. Or it's too complicated to do the other thing. But the day you decide to align, you start seeing the soul tribe trickling in. People who will help you on your journey, people who will help you with those goals, provided they are authentic. anything that is authentic and true to you comes embedded with a certain level of protection, a certain level of strength, a certain level of provision. That's why you see when people are following their true calling, they never lack. There is always provision everywhere, around the corner. As soon as you think they're hitting a snag, an opportunity arises that helps them through that process. So, today, as we talk about Soul Tribe, I want to encourage you, don't be dismayed, maybe because the right people are not coming yet. They are on their way. So stay steadfast, immovable, true to your goal, true to your heart's desires, because that way you'll attract the right people. The true soul tribe will show up. When I relocated from abroad, and I knew I wanted to start something, but I didn't know with who, how, or even where. I really didn't. I had some ideas, but they were I had some ideas, but they were so vague, you know. But I sat with myself and I knew for as long as I'm true to my heart, doors will open. And before I knew it, I had partnered with my sisters to start Sunshine, you know. And Sunshine is a and a company of its own. It has its own mind and its own everything. It's like something burst out of a union, you know, of different people having authenticity to themselves and walking their true path, and we end up merging and creating something new. Anyway, as always, this is Keroy. I hope that helps. And yeah, I'm hanging out here at Sunshine at the office today. Talk to you soon. Bye.